Looking for a home in a neighborhood where peace and quiet still actually exist here at Lake of the Ozarks? Wait till you see this beautiful split-level, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, approximately 2,000 square feet with an oversized 2-car garage, tucked away in a cul-de-sac with a flat backyard. Welcome to 61 Woodland Circle in Eldon. Let's go check this thing out. The main level features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a laundry, and a vaulted living room with an open concept to the kitchen and dining room with direct access to the backyard from the dining room. And the lower level features a family room with an additional bedroom suite that was just added just a few years ago. So if you're looking for a home just outside of Lake Ozark in Eldon, this is the one that you've got to check out. My name's Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. For more information or private tour, give us a call at 800-836-2005, or you can always check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.